Hey guys, Romero here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going through the steps on how to install the fishing rod holder and cup holder on a Sea-Doo GTX 300. As you can see here, I already went ahead and did one of the sides, so we're going to go ahead and proceed with doing this on the other side. Before beginning the installation, we want to make sure we have the correct tools. Obviously you need your correct brackets. Now these are side specific, so you have a left hand side and a right hand side. The bolts that come with it, you need a 5/16 socket, a T27, and a 3/8 drill bit. You'll also need a flathead screwdriver. To remove the side panel, open up your storage and then use the flathead screwdriver to remove the push pin. Now I'm doing this with one hand, so it's a little bit harder. But there you go, popped it out. Take it out, and then you have a T27 bolt head right there. Once you remove the push pin and the bolt, all you need to do is lift this up and it comes out just like that. If you have a 21 GTX or later, the holes are actually pre-marked on the fender, as you will see there and there. So take your 3/8 drill bit and drill the holes. Once you drill your holes, you could go ahead and start taking the support brackets and put them into the holes here, and use either a low powered screwdriver like the one I'm using, or do it by hand. Keep in mind that you are screwing into plastic, so you do not want to over tighten it. Alright, so there we go. The support brackets are on, and now to put the fender back onto the ski. Now keep in mind that the ski does have 3 little notches right here where the fender snaps into, so you have to go in at an angle. Once you reinstall the fender, put your push pin back in. Put your T27 bolt back in. And that's it. Installation is complete. Now I have brand new cup holder and a fishing rod holder on both sides of the ski.